वो हैं हमारे रणवीर साहब से तो आप मिल चुके हैं, कबीर मेहरा साहब हैं, कबीर मेहरा, माय सन, रजाइशा मेहरा, माय डॉटर, Farah Ali, my daughter-in-law, and Shifari, my grandmother.
You made us
Okay,
forget
at this press conference, I'm making a new rule. It's called the reference tax rule. If you make reference to anything other than the film Dil Dhadakne Do, then you have to endure my performance. Agreed?
Done.
So, आपने कौन सा reference लिया था? The last time we saw Anil sir in the Salt and Pepper look was
Lamhe.
Lamhe.
Borni.
बागामा बोले आधी रात माँ छनन छन चूड़ियाँ छनन डर चूड़ियाँ खनक गई देख साहिबा चूड़ियाँ कनक गई रात माँ पल पलो हे कुंवर जी आ गए
Thank you, sir.
मैंने कहा था सनी से शादी कर लो।
ये दोनों तो बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स हुआ करते थे। कैसे मतलब?
कुछ नहीं, ये अमेरिका चला गया।
First of all, good afternoon, everyone, and sorry to have kept you all waiting for so long. But Ranveer needed to get ready, so we waited as always. But since it's such a great outcome, you know, it's amazing to actually give. Thanks, Ranveer.
थैंक यू लिनन है ना मैं इस्त्री करने भिजवाया गया
I'm very excited about, first of all, Aiba, because I think it's high time that a collaboration between the UAE and India happen. Our cultures have been very similar. We have amazing respect for each other's movies and entertainment. We've always got, as Hindi films, so much love and affection from here. So I'm excited about my performance today, and there'll be a little surprise at the end of it. So let's hope it goes off well.
कभी मैं कहूँ
हाय प्रियंका
कभी तुम कहो
कि मैंने
Good after, Ranveer.
ये दिल
दे दिया. You know my beautiful wife. और आज अगर तुम्हारा साथ ना हो तो मैं कुछ भी नहीं.
एक्टिंग क्यों कर रहे हो? कोई नहीं देख रहा।
ये हमारे पेरेंट्स हैं।
I mean, yeah, as an actor, you are always trying to do different things because ultimately you don't want to bore your audience. And if you are seen in different roles, in different kind of films, and I think everybody sitting here can say that. I can say for all the actors over here that everyone's always attempted to do something different. And I mean, that's what all of us want to do. And then, you know, you can captivate your audience and their interest in you better. Repetitively doing the same thing is obviously very boring. So yeah, that is a genuine effort. Please don't sing now, Ranveer. Like hearing.
What was Anushka's last film was? Mari. Okay, no more. Please, next question. Sorry.
You know, you and him are looking very similar. By the way, both are looking in comfort fancy dress competition.
We are brothers. कबीर मेरा
Farah Ali, nice to meet you.
मैं प्लेन उड़ा सकता हूँ।
साइकिल चला सकते हो?
इन सब के हम
AG
ओजी
OG Oh, she knows it, sir. She knows it. Ow.
आ जाओ आ जाओ
There's additional rules. If you so much as utter one word from the song, you have to perform it with me.
Oh no.
And Anil, sir. Arey Ram. Okay, since we're here, let's teach you the walk, sir. The panther walk.
Panther walk हो
The
जाए.
panther walk. Woo! You have to cross your legs, huh? See, she's Snapchatting this.
Yes, of course.
Right. Okay. But at least do the panther walk with us. Okay.
Ram
1, 2, 3, 4. Rum pum pum rum pum pum rum pa pa pum rum pum rum pum pum rum pum pum rum pa pa pum rum pum rum pum 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 rum pum pum. Take it away.
एज
OG AG OG लो जी सुनो जी मैं हूँ मन मौजी करता हूँ मैं जो वो तुम भी करो जी 1 2 का 4 4 2 का 1
बाय नेम इज लखन
With the step.
name is
कर ले चांस पे डांस बेबी
Thank you so much.
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so much.
Can I just request everyone to
There's
continue?
an Anil Kapoor in all of us.
Oh yeah.
तुम किसी भी जहाज पर चली जाओ मेरे बिना वो कहीं नहीं जाने वाला
इसकी शादी पक्की हो गई है. To her. What?
Look at us. One second. Just look at us. We even dress alike now. That's how much of siblings we are without even talking to each other. So,
Yeah, we must point that out. For the past 5 days,
it's so weird.
we don't discuss this, and we come to work, and we walk into the space, and I realize we're dressed exactly in the same colors.
Every day for the last 5 days. It's so weird.
It's
but
weird.
I think that we have the opportunity. We've actually done 3 films back to back where we've played boyfriend, girlfriend, brother, sister, and now we're going to be doing an extremely mature, intense love story as a husband and wife. I think this is a testament to the filmmakers who've worked with us, who I think have given us trust and faith to be able to pull off the characters that we do. And now on June 5th, we'll know that if we have really. But I think Ranveer and I kind of like look alike also. We look like we're Shefali and Anil Sir's kids.